Hello, Fly Babies. Today is Saturday, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Saturday is a fun day. Our 3-layer cake includes routines, which we do every single day for the rest of our lives because it's stuff we have to do. And we're going to do the basic weekly plan and maybe the zone. Let's see. All right, so let's start with if you work outside of the home. If you work outside of the home and today is your Saturday and you're home, then you're going to do your routines, morning routine, laundry routine, inch of paper, let's see, after dinner routine, before bed routine. Did I leave anything out? Morning routine, laundry routine, paper routine, after dinner routine, before bed routine. Nope, that's it. Those are your 5 routines. All of us, we do that every day. Except if you're an at-home fly baby, no laundry on Saturday. You've gotten it all done during the week, hopefully. All right, the second thing we're going to do is our basic weekly plan. Today is family day, so that means you're going to have fun with your family. I hope you have something planned to do with them that's fun. Even if the plan is to sit at home in your pajamas and watch cartoons in the morning and play board games in the afternoon. That's a plan, okay? All right, third thing, if you work outside the home and you have elected not to delegate or do your weekly home blessing hour during the week, and you have elected not to do or delegate your zone during the week, then you're going to be doing some or all of that on Saturday. You're definitely probably going to be you may not, I'll just say it this way, you may not have done your bed, stripped your bed, and the kids may have not done theirs, so you're going to do that today. If you were able to delegate everything and do the other zone work during the week, you won't have any of that to do. So it'll just be sheets, and that's it. All right, that's it for today. It's Saturday. It's a fun day. I hope that you have found some wonderful, fun things to do with your family, whether at home or away from home. You don't have to spend a pile of money. There's loads of things you can do. Check your newspaper, check online. What are some things that are low cost or free that you can enjoy doing with your family to make memories? Don't expect too much from your family. Loosen your requirements. Enjoy yourself along with them. And remember to be firm, but kind. You still have to be firm or the kids will go crazy. All right, that's it for today. Enjoy your Saturday and always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.